Okay guys, today with you I'm Haijun. Yeah. I'm returned to anime. Yeah. You don't remember? I guess my channel was anime. Oh shit, this sounds. I don't play when what game was popular in my child age. I don't play this because I don't even scare. It's go away from me because I was 10 years old and Beer Freddy. Come on. I don't scare of this shit. I hope I look nice because I don't cut off my beard. My mustache. What I say about in my child age, I more play Slender Man. It was more exciting for me.
It's a skinny mime! Whoa! Sorry, skinny mime, but I did have the
Hello gays, scary alerts.
And what about anime? This is anime 5 of Nights of Freddy. 5 Nights of Freddy. Come on, let's go. I hope I don't scare. Where are we located? What? Oh,
Hello there.
this anime in like this place. The Dark Lord is here!
So the legend is true. I've never seen such a back.
Oh my fucking goodness. She's yellow and
的见证8个纪录片在香港这座城市的设置。
电视速度进行一冰淇淋速度进行着我最喜欢，所以现在是因为时间。
she here. I know it. Or she back. It's not real. Not here. Not even here, Cam.
Welcome.
I don't know what to say. Wait, whoops. It's make me crazy. Oh. Fuck. I exit now. What the fuck? Where is she? Where is yellow piece of shit? I don't... She came. Okay. Where is others? She's in cam 20. Okay. It's 20? No, it's 12. Sorry guys. This maths, it's so hard. Oh no. It's for safety. What are you supposed to do? I don't know. Oh shit. Fuck this. Fuck off. You're slut. Oh, sorry man. Some glasses haven't checked, so don't disrespect me. They're going to scare me. So what they are sluts? Not because they are like Oh shit! I was so scared. What the heck? I don't know. Where is Fjord? She's still here. I don't know. What's she doing there? Relaxing sounds of moaning. Is it correct? I don't know. Oh shit! I'm scared you guys. Sorry me, please. I suppose wear a mask. I remember it's from Beer Freddy, but I don't see wear any masks. Its nights are so easy. I don't do anything because it's too easy for me. Okay, 6 AM. First night completed. And I even not scared. Yep. End of demo. It was demo. What the fuck? It was scam. Holy f. Okay. Continue. Yeah. It's scary.
Hey! Congratulations on the new Night Watch job. I actually...
Mr. B!
Okay. I don't know how to play. Oh sh! What the fuck? Yep, guys. I don't scare anything. Only what mom can get out me from house. Okay, what? It's how to. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. What the fuck? Okay. One of them almost here. We're so fast. I just left because I was cooked. That's why I get out. Correctly out of English. What the heck? I can't see anything. It's right, but I. Oh shit. She almost here. Two of them. It's fucking disgusting. If you know what I'm saying. Disgusting. Какой же долбы. Да. Cavemans. Some Russian. Maybe she scared. No. She didn't. Where are you? I scared one. What's going on? What the fuck? Oh, Obito, it's Hanbo. Stop this mute call. Man, you fall a lot. You scared of this game? Okay, she here. It's too different. Yeah? Because they here. Yeah, I'm genius. Oh fuck. What are you doing? Oh for God's sake. I think it's very hard level. Oh, she wanted to surprise me, but I don't scare anymore. My balls are so, I don't know, like stones, okay?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
She here. Orders are there. Oh fuck, what are you doing? Sis, what? Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Oh my.
What I say? I don't scare of these games. Yeah. Fuck. Okay, man. Fuck you. You're so loudy. I hope you put like, subscribe to me. See you soon, guys. And write comments if you want more videos like this. Please give me some names of games. I don't know. Bye. Как же я ненавижу все.